If you're looking to remove a Gmail account from your Android phone in 2025, you've come to the right place. Whether you're switching accounts, selling your phone, or just cleaning up your device, I'll walk you through the easiest and safest way to do it. Let's dive in. First, swipe down from the top of your screen and tap the gear icon to open your settings. Scroll down and look for the section called Passwords and Accounts or Accounts and Sync, depending on your phone model. In the Accounts list, find the Gmail account you want to remove and tap on it. On the next screen, you'll see an option to remove account. Tap it. If prompted, you may need to enter your device password or verify your identity to confirm the action. Do the same if you have more than one account into the phone. And that's it. It's that simple. Your Gmail account is now removed from your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with anything else. See you in the next video.